Kynhun Myntri Jaka Sarkar Jala Meglaya Kalapriang Ekajingbu Eki Border Outpost Haki Jaka ki Bahab Iakajia Pud Kini Jaka ki Kintup Yakamoria Ha East Jantia Hills Kamukro Barkatiwe Ha West Jantia Hills Karani Jirang Hariboy Kaumwali Kalija Dubi Barkalangpi Ha West Khas Hills District On Pentamairu Yak Outpost Kabaladan Lupa Hapo Patharkma Hariboy District Badi Yaka Outpost Hakirshai Ha West Khas Hills District.
And the cabinet today has officially sanctioned and approved BOP for East Gentia Hills in Muriap, in West Gentia Hills in Mukro, and TY BOP number 3. This is in West Gentia Hills. In Riboy, in Rani Jirang, the BOP has been approved. In West Khasi Hills, in Umwali, number 2 in Lejadubi, and number 3 in Lampi. We have also decided that the outpost will be officially sanctioned for Athiabari. Also, we have decided that the upgradation of the outpost to full-fledged police stations will be done in Patharkama, number 1, and number 2 in Kirshai, and number 2 in Kirshai, and for outpost will also be upgraded. So these were the different locations where the BOPs have been sanctioned, and we will ensure that we swiftly act and ensure that the manpower is there in these different locations and required infrastructure also be created at the earliest. Apart from that, there were some other areas, especially in Riboy district, bordering Block 2, and there were suggestions that had come up, but we had to double check with the entire local communities also, and at the same time we had to double check with the sensitivities of the areas to ensure that we are able to get the correct locations. And hence, though the proposals came in, we have asked the DGP to make a visit to those areas and come back with a proposal, especially in the border area with the areas of differences in Block 2 area, which is mainly falling under Riboy district. So Riboy also, we will come out with a second list soon, and that will be done after more detailed study is done of the Riboy area.